this engine case, and he's like, I don't want to fix it right, so drilled a couple of holes where it's cracked here, and we're going to use some of this JB Weld steel stick. I actually got a computer case here. I'm going to use to form it, and that'll give me my seal back here. And so you're about to see some rednecking at its finest. Here we go. First things first is wire weld it all real down, spread it off with some carb cleaner, got any oil and grease off, and then we'll go from there. So let's mix some steel putty up. Alright, so I got me a bunch of that steel stick on there, and hopefully when I get done with this, by scrunching this all down real good, I should have a pretty good form. Let's see if we can see on the inside here. Just got a little bit on there, and I got some that came through my holes there. Hopefully that'll stick. I may need to go back and put a nice layer on there. Alright, so this is my finished product. I'm gonna let it dry. I'll get a rubber gasket, and I think this will all work real good. Just a little bit high there, but we'd rather have that than low. And, pretty dang close though. The hole's only that big, but I went ahead and did all of that just to make sure that it wasn't leaking. Alright, so let's see how this worked out. We just need some good faint lines to do it properly. So see there, you can see where it's been all pressed in. That'll give me a pretty good line to get started. Some of them you just kind of have to look, but you can see. Alright, so I guess this is upside down. And anyway, I got a bunch of Permatex on this. Gonna put my gasket on there, and I'm gonna Permatex the top of this, and then I'm going to put it on the four-wheeler. And alright, so I got the gasket on. It's Permatex on both sides, and we're about to go put it on. Alright, here goes the money shot. Let's see, where was my other deal? It's down here, so we are good. Thanks for the small things. Got my gear in there. And there it goes. Probably with just a little rubber mallet. I got one somewhere around here. You see a rubber mallet?
I'm looking. You know where he got this, don't you?
Off the internet?
He got it from that Fort Smith scooter ATV over there at the mall. Right there, it's got the blister on it. Right
Is that where it originally came from? About to button up this redneck case job. I didn't hear any cracks. And it all looks like it's going to seal up real good there. So hopefully we'll be good. It's all hard as a rock. Got a good gasket in there. Lots of sealant, which oozed out everywhere. And we'll get our starter gear in there, which I found was missing the pin. So I actually found one of them too. So we'll be good here just shortly.
There's no stinky gas in there.
Yeah, well, he just told me to do this, and the rest is on him. So that's, I do what I do. All right, we got the case done. Looking pretty sweet. And I'm going to try and start it up. Battery's dead. So we'll see what happens. It's our redneck JB Weld job. Our redneck case shop. Uh-oh. Watch it when you sit on it. Let me cut it down just by here.